Well, good afternoon, everybody. Alec Burnett, Executive Director, Fauquier Chamber of Commerce. I'm here on Hospital Hill with Interim CEO Mike Poore. So, Mike, you mentioned the importance of history, and the hospital's been here since 1925. I was born and raised here in Fauquier County. My first child was born here at this hospital, and Fauquier Hospital has always had a deep connection to the community. Do you want to add anything on to that as far as how things have changed now that we've entered into the 21st century?
Well, we're proud of our history, and we know that today we stand on the shoulders of the ones that came before us and started the hospital for the community, to take care of the community. And that is our mission today, is to make our community healthier. That is our mission statement. So we're proud of that. We want to continue that, but we also want to grow into the future.
Sure.
To the needs of the community, being able to meet those new needs with technology, with personnel that are working on the latest cutting edge of healthcare.
Sure.
Last year, we invested in a robot, surgical robot.
I heard about that, yeah.
Yeah, and the intuitive robot is, they call it a Da Vinci, and it's an amazing piece of equipment. The equipment itself is $2 million, but it's also the investment in the staff and
Sure.
The surgeon's time that can be able to do these surgeries that are minimally invasive, better for the patient, easier recovery. I'm very proud of that.
Good.
We've also bought another robot that's a navigation robot for spine surgery, and doing some of the most amazing spine work today, as modern and cutting edge as anything that's offered today.
Well, I mean, that's fantastic. I mean, I think probably a lot of the community will appreciate hearing this, because they may not necessarily be aware. We all know that awareness is key to being able to take advantage of something, and so I think it's wonderful that you guys are investing, obviously, in technology, but in technology so that it benefits the community, which is really what it's all about. So
Sure.
that's fantastic. What do you see? What the next? I know you're the interim, but what do you see? What's your 3 to 5 year? Where do you see the hospital in 5 years or so?
Well, we have a strong strategic plan that we continue to build off of, and that in that strategic plan we are planning on growth. We actually have an office opening in Manassas.
Okay.
In the next couple of months, we recruited new physicians, primary care physicians, into that office. This year alone, we've recruited 4 new physicians, 3 internal medicine, 1 OBGYN, and a nurse midwife. So we're building up our OB program. We have 2 OBGYNs and 3 now midwives to rebuild our OB program. But we're also, I've interviewed in the last couple of months urologists, ENT, all of that to augment the services that we have. So we're excited about that growth. We have more plans for growth in different places like Bent Hill and Culpeper. We know we're a big part of the community, and we're proud. I spoke about our tax base, and $9.8 million a year that we're putting back into the taxes, and that goes into the schools and the roads and however our taxes are used. But also we support a lot of community organizations. So we spend over $40,000 of direct cash contributions to different organizations, really focused around how we can improve the health of the community.
Great. Well, we certainly appreciate your support and generosity for the Fauquier Chamber of Commerce as another not-for-profit organization. Sure. We do rely on those relationships and those sponsorships and partnerships. Really, is what it's all about. And so we really value Fauquier Health. As a better business makes for a better community.
Sure.
And you guys are clearly doing that, and we, as a resident as well as my position, we sure appreciate it.
Sure.
Fantastic. Great.
Thanks
so
a
much,
lot.
Mike. Appreciate
Yeah.
it.